the quad. I'm glad that you all made it here. And this is a very free-flowing event, so people will trickle in, as they feel, and feel free to flow around. I know the Lahu culture is a very flowy culture as well, right? So my name is Celeste. I'm a professor of counseling here at COS, and I'm a community member. I was raised in the public schools here in Visalia, California, and I grew up with Lahu people. I'm not of Lahu descent, but I wouldn't know what Lahu is if I didn't have friends that were Lahu or people I went to school with. So I noticed over the years that a lot of my friends had to continue to explain what is Lahu, right? So I said, let's show them. Let's show them what Lahu is, right? So I wanted to have an event that was a first ever event. We've never had a Lahu celebration here at COS. As a professor of counseling, I wanted to have something where it was interactive and experiential. And so I want to describe a little bit about why I chose the different elements of the event and just kind of show you, introduce you to what we have on the tables. So these big white pages are for you or the children to draw on. If you'd like to draw, we also have here, these are common Lahu words. So because this is an educational campus, we're a college and educational institution, I thought we need to make it about cultural competence, cultural awareness. So feel free to practice your Lahu terms. You can write them out on the paper here as well. All of the swag items, feel free to take. And it was important that we had an alumni celebration. This is not a ceremony, but a celebration for all Lahu graduates of COS, whether you got a certificate or an associate's degree, because I feel like it's something that we really need to give credit where credit is due. And you guys got here in the 1980s, many of you didn't speak English at all, and then you've come through the community college system and really, really succeeded. And so College of Sequoias is happy to partner with you and continue partnering with you to bring success to the community. So as far as tonight, feel free to help yourself to the food, the games, the entertainment. Our community members back here helped us mostly with everything. I didn't do everything myself, but as the creator of the project, I just appreciate you all being here. There is a sign-in sheet that's being passed around, so I'm hoping that you all can find the sign-in sheet, sign in. Also, another item is to please take pictures and post on COS social media and on your social media so that we can show a positive Lahu presence online, okay? So have fun, celebrate. This event is about you. We also have a special guest. Our president showed up, and so I'm so excited that Brent, our president and superintendent, showed up and wanted to celebrate with you. And so this is a special honor that he wanted to come. So for you guys, this is Brent Calvin.
Thank you, Celeste. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for everything you've done to make this event a reality. So excited to see you all here. Welcome. As Celeste said, I'm Brent Calvin, lucky enough to serve as the superintendent and president here at my alma mater, College of the Sequoias. It really is a thrill to welcome people to our campus and to celebrate in this way. And I think tonight, even more so, because this is our first inaugural, we hope, annually we'll be doing this, but inaugural Lahu student event. So we are thrilled to be a part of it. Thank you for including us. Thank you for supporting this event. Really want to just celebrate student success in the Lahu culture. So thank you so much for joining us. It promises to be a very fun evening, and we are looking forward to it. So thank you for being here, and let's party. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Brent, for letting us have this event. Another item is we do have drinks on the side. I know it's a little hot today, so if you want to help yourself to food or drinks, that's all for you. So I'm going to introduce a community member who's going to give us a little bit of history of the Lahu people and Ipong has been helping Idor and me and us to all put this event together. So as you know, it takes a whole community to graduate one person from college. It takes a whole community to hold a Lahu celebration event too. So I've been planning this event for over a year. It's been crazy, but I really appreciate Ipong and Idor and all of you for helping me to make this project come along. So without further ado, this is Ipong. He's going to give you a little history about the Lahu people and anything else he'd like to add.
I'm loud, okay? So, all right, so I would like to welcome to the first annual Lahu Giants celebrations. Before we begin, I would like to take a minute and thank College of the Sequoias for giving us this time, this opportunity to share our history and culture in this special event. When I first heard about this event, I was happy and thankful that the Lahu students are being recognized by the institution. This means a lot to me and my people because the institution is paving a path for success of our future Lahu students. The Lahu people work like the domino effect. All we need is for one person to take the first step and you will see many others following that same path. COS has made a great impact to the Lahu community. We now have many Lahu nurses and also school staff serving the people throughout the valley. So thank you, COS. Lahu tabi sila COS la. So I would like to welcome Idor Sesi, and he will be speaking or introducing himself in Lahu as well. So please help me welcome Idor Sesi.
Bùi cha mẹ đó là cái cá sấu cái cô cá gì chỉ vì cái này cứ thì Bali chỉ một tụi cho giá thì giàu lâu vậy ni thì tụi cá chỉ vì thì Bali hết đó là gà tiền gì là họ chỉ là thì Bali tụiพ่อ mà cứ thì tụi cá không gà vậy thì Bali chỉ là anh đi lại bỏ lại ra ni về họ chỉ họ làm gì tụi cha cứ về anh đi sụp bể lại thì mà cho mày anh đi các con là kỳ lệ gạt thì lo cái lý chỉ vì vợ cái lá vợ thì bà nhiều chỉ là hết thì bà bẻ lại gạt thì bà tao bùi chỉ giao lại cái thì giờ bẻ ra cho con lu vợ lá vợ trả đã gì về lá vợ không ngã chế cái là lá vợ phô vợ chế về lá vợ không ngã chế cũng mà thôi cái thì anh nào vợ phun vợ yo cái lá không phô bị giá bà tao yo cái lá về phô về cũng mà vì tôi lại cái thì
anh chỉ biểu mà kiểu chỉ mà biểu ok
thì tôi lại chỉ cho họ cái thì họ bị tí chỉ cũng mà cái cho có cái gì cái việc nào luôn cái bao nhiêu số tiền nào việc có cái ngõ là việc là giàu về cái gì mình cho chơi lo máu tích cả cho máu tích cả hú là lo cái thì nào tích cả gì vậy là nè thì bà cái thì tích cả lìa ra là chỉ ở bụi cha mẹ tích cả lìa là ở cái gặp gì ở cái sao cái là cái là ngồi thì bà lìa ở cái gì cái ở bụi cha là ở nó tích cái việc tích chỉ ở về trên đó có cho là gì gọi là tích cái việc chỉ là ở bụi cha.
Thank you, Idor. And so we have our agenda that I would like to just go down the list here. So I would like to welcome Aina C and his friends, and they will be doing the opening song for us in Lahu. So please welcome Aina and friends.
Ủa chùa của Lahu Giants, Holy Habitat you land. Alevi Kolo, Viva Pelebo you have it. So Galago, Uloji Tatale, Chomo Chokege. Neda jada ni soche, tini le masu be oya, ngahi lahu be koso, tinggal se jada ni matale, koso haso tahaya be, tini le masu be oya, ngahi lahu be koso. Tinggal sejadah di matale, koso haso tahayabe, koso haso tahayabe. Good job.